What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. And one of my favorite low-cost devices, hey, check it out, my little elf is here. One of my favorite low-cost devices is one of these doorway pull-up bars. Now, I've got a video showing me assembling this pull-up bar. I don't remember. I want to say it was around $20 or $30. I bought it back in 2017. It's been holding up great. I've got 4 little boys at home. They love to hang, to do pull-ups, to work out using the pull-up bar. But basically the way it works, it just comes in, drops into position. I try to balance it in the door frame, and now it's set. Obviously, if you have significant shoulder pain limitation, you're not going to be reaching up there. But this is more for the advanced individual who maybe has completed physical therapy. You've been discharged. You told your therapist you have a doorway pull-up bar at home. What can you do with it? Here are some of my favorites. Now, there's great clinical research. There's actually a book on Amazon that I'll post down in the description below, where the entire shoulder health program is literally a version of partial or full body weight hang. So I would grab either the vertical bars, the palm forward grip, the reverse grip, and then I would just kind of relax my legs and allow myself to be partially suspended. I would hold this position anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, my legs are holding me up, right? So the idea here is I'm creating some distraction through the shoulder. I'm engaging the lats and the inferior musculature to create some space on the superior shoulder under the acromion process. I can do it facing, I can do it backed away where I'm kind of leaning back if I don't have full range of motion. I can do a single arm. Now, I'm 5'7". If you're a taller individual, obviously you're gonna have to sit down into it. But one of my favorite exercises using a pull-up bar for mobility is to grab in what I'm going to call a neutral grip. So my palm is facing forward, I reach up, I grab, I sit down into it, and then I turn so that now I've got a reverse grip, and then I turn the other way so I've got a forward-facing grip. And from this position, I'm getting full humeral rotation. And the rotation is working through the wrist, the elbow, into the shoulder. It's kind of the entire kinetic chain. If you develop neck tension or any issues like that, one of the ones that I like to do is I'll grab in an overhand position and I'll go ahead and allow my neck to flex, chin toward the chest. I can also be in this position and provide chin tucks. So the point being, there's no limit to the number of exercises you could do with a device like this. Certainly you could do a full body weight pull-up. You have to be aware of how much this can hold relative to your body weight. But the idea is that from modifications to full use, a device like this is really inexpensive, takes up a tiny bit of space, and it's something that can make a huge difference in the health of your shoulder and your recovery program. So guys, if you have questions about specific products, I know a lot of people ask me about slings. I've got other videos on the channel talking about the best slings and the alternative straps that you can use to take some of the pressure off the neck. I'm happy to answer your specific questions if you post them down in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video.